Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can disable parental controls on our Android phone. If you are on an Android phone, if you want to download some apps on your Google Play Store, but if it is not allowing because of the parental controls which are enabled on that particular app, then the solution is only you have to disable those parental controls. Let's see. If you're on the Android Google Play Store, then you have to get into this Google account here by pressing, and you have to get into settings here. Just tap on these settings. After going to settings, you'll be having several options here, out of which the fourth one probably is on family, which is about parental control. Click on family, then there will be the third option, parental controls, which might be probably on in your condition or in your case. Just click here. Now if you observe, the parental controls are switched on. This you have to disable in order to download all those restricted apps or some apps which are blocked because of this particular thing is enabled. Just go to click on that one and enter your pin whichever you have given during your enable. So I have entered my pin and going to next. So for entering, click OK. That's all. Your parental control switch over initially enabled now has been disabled. Now you can successfully download all such apps which are restricted due to this particular control. There is absolutely no problem. From now onwards you can download all such apps on your Google Play Store. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in future too.